Hi learners, today we are going to learn the name of 10 transports. Let's start. T R A I N Train. B U S Bus. S H I P Ship. C A R Car. V A N Van. A E R O P L A N E Airplane. H E L I C O P T E R Helicopter. L O R Y Lorry. R O C K E T Rocket. Y A C H T Yacht. Thank you. Visit again.